Hello everyone, today I would like to show you all how to transfer all your WhatsApp chats and media from old Android phone to new Android phone. Let's have a look. For this video I am using my old Android phone Samsung S23 Ultra and new Android phone Google Pixel 10 Pro XL. First, open WhatsApp on your old Android phone. Tap three dots on top right and tap settings. Now scroll down and tap chats. Again scroll down and tap transfer chats. Transfer chat history. Tap start. Scan QR code. Download WhatsApp on your new phone and register with the same phone number. Use this phone to scan the QR code shown on the new phone. Now take your new phone. On your new Android phone, open Play Store, tap search and type WhatsApp. Tap WhatsApp Messenger. Then you need to install WhatsApp Messenger on your new phone. Before you begin, make sure your both phone near each other. Your both phone must be connected to the internet via Wi-Fi or Personal Hotspot. When WhatsApp Messenger downloaded, tap Open, tap Agree and Continue. Tap Allow. Enter the phone number that you are using in your old phone. Right now my SIM card in my old phone. So select country and enter the phone number. Tap Next. Tap Yes. You will receive a verification code in your old phone. Enter the verification code in your new phone. When phone number verified, you will see create passkey to sign in into WhatsApp. Tap cross sign. Now tap continue. Tap allow. Transfer chat history. Tap continue. Also tap allow. Scan QR code with old phone camera. So take your old phone and scan the QR code shown on the new phone. When QR code scanned, you will see it will start transferring. For device connection, tap connect. Transfer done. Tap next on new phone. You will see your profile name. Tap next. That's it. All chats and media transferred. Tap done on your old phone and you will see you have been logged out. These are the steps to transfer all your WhatsApp chats and media from old Android phone to new Android phone. Here you can see it will transfer all media and call logs. When your WhatsApp transfer done, you can transfer your SIM card from old phone to new phone. Simply remove SIM card from old phone and insert the SIM card to your new phone. Hope this video help you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.